In this video, I'll be showing you how to fix Discord mic quality and improve Discord mic. But anyways, getting into it, it's actually very simple to go ahead and do this. You can do it on literally anything that you're using Discord on, whether you're an iPhone, Android, Samsung, or anything like that, or a PC or desktop as well. So we're going to be using PC or desktop since it has more functionality and more features. So what you want to do is open up your Discord application, then go to user settings. Once you're here, scroll down until you find voice and video. And the first thing you want to do is just make sure that your mic is actually the correctly selected one. You want to make sure it's not a headset or anything like that. Make sure it's your correct microphone. Now, for your input profile, you want to choose custom to give you all the buttons and dials. Now, what you can do is have noise suppression on, which reduces background noise from your mic. Now, echo cancellation, like if you want to have it on, you can, but I personally have it on none because I use my microphone's personal one. What I'd recommend though is putting it on standard and not crisp, because crisp is good if you have a ton of background noise. However, it does distort your voice slightly. So I'd recommend just having it on standard if you do have some background noise. But if you don't have background noise, or if you don't mind your keyboard and mouse being, on your microphone, then have it on none and, you're not going to have any noise suppression. I do recommend having echo cancellation on though, because it doesn't really mess up your sound. And then you can show advanced voice settings. So I'd recommend just having all of these on. And it says system audio processing may interfere with Discord's audio processing. So you can bypass the system audio processing if you want though, and you have like specific audio settings from your microphone, you can have this off like so. And then, yeah, there's a few different things you could do. And what you could do is also go ahead and scroll down, and there's different sounds that you could go ahead and do as well. But honestly, I'd recommend just keeping most of these on. But what you could also do is have someone else on a call with you, and you can toggle off these on and off these settings one by one and see when it sounds better and when it doesn't.